This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on FiveM. Many players prefer the tactile feel of a controller, and with a few simple steps, you can enjoy your favorite FiveM servers with your PlayStation 4 gamepad. We'll cover everything from connecting your device to setting up the essential software and configuring your in-game controls. Get ready to enhance your FiveM experience with the comfort and precision of your PS4 controller. Let's dive in and get you set up. First things first, let's get your PS4 controller connected to your computer. You have two main options: a USB cable for a direct, reliable connection, or Bluetooth for wireless freedom. If you choose Bluetooth, make sure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Once connected, your operating system should ideally recognize the controller automatically. A quick check in your device settings will confirm that your PlayStation 4 controller is properly detected and ready for the next step. To make your PS4 controller fully compatible with FiveM, you'll need a third-party application like DS4 Windows. This software tricks your computer into thinking your PS4 controller is an Xbox controller, which FiveM natively supports. Head to the official DS4 Windows website to download the latest version. After installation, launch the application and follow the prompts to set up your controller. You can create custom profiles and fine-tune settings, ensuring your PlayStation 4 gamepad works perfectly for your gaming needs. With your software set up, it's time to jump into FiveM. Launch the game and go to the Control Settings menu. Here, you can map various in-game actions to your PS4 controller buttons, customizing your layout for optimal gameplay. If you encounter any issues, such as input lag or unrecognized buttons, double-check your DS4 Windows settings and ensure it's running correctly. Sometimes, restarting both the software and FiveM can resolve minor glitches. Enjoy a more immersive and comfortable FiveM experience with your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.